A very warm good morning, dear students. See, the previous class we had revised some of the chapters, and I have told you the pattern of the question paper also. Please just follow the pattern and prepare yourself according to that. Okay, be prepared. So now it's the time. So be thorough with the chapters, exercises. Go through those exercises and okay, learn it. So now I think we can just start the revising the chapter Gargoyles first day. So you know this chapter well. So we'll take understanding the text and those things are answers only. So we can just you can just go through this once again, and if you are having any doubt you can just ask. uh, Appreciating the test thing and answer, so we'll mainly just look the exercise, mainly the grammar part. Okay, so you can just see that some of the grammar and usage. So the article, you know, let us briefly summarize what we have learned so far about the articles. You know that articles, definite and indefinite articles are there. A and the or the. So you know that where it is used and so on. Okay, so the usage of the grammar and usage. So you can just see. Okay, students, we can just see some of the usage of the article. So you need to thorough with this usage of the article. Okay, so for example, it is given the first one. It is given when and how we use the article a. It is your one unspecified thing and beginning with a consonant sound. So you know that it is wherever there is a consonant sound. Okay, the word which is starting with a consonant sound. So there we use a. So if you just make a difference, that means what is the difference between a and an, and where we use? Okay, so when a word is starting with a consonant sound, there we use a, and when we use this an is used when the word is beginning with vowel sound. So there we use an. So please, the same way, though we write the, it is pronounced in two ways. Dha is pronounced the. Okay, sometimes it is pronounced as the. When we pronounce the as the, when a word is okay, we can see that beginning with okay, unspecified thing or whatever maybe, is when it is okay, specified thing. It's a specified thing. When a specified thing is beginning with the consonant sound, there we use dha. There we pronounce it as the. And when we use or when we pronounce it as the, wherever there is, okay, you can say wherever there is a word which start with a vowel sound, there we pronounce it as the. So for example, the orphan, the elephant, okay, so the uncle. So already once about the specified thing or a person or object only. The river, so we say the river only. Okay, the river, the Ganga. So it is starting with the consonant sound. The Ganga is okay, consonant only. So for example, uncle, it's a vowel sound. So we pronounce it the uncle, not the uncle, but it will be the uncle. So there are some differences. The university. Okay, so you can know. Okay, you can just go through all these examples so that it will be more clear for you. Okay, so let us see some of the usages. You can just go through all the usages once again, so I may not repeat it again, but be thorough with these usages. Okay, when and where to use the articles. Okay, both the definite as well as the indefinite articles. Okay, now complete the sentence with the a. or an or the or make a cross for a zero article. So let us see that. You certainly need an older person to escort you on the truck. The will be no the truck, the truck. So next one, the bookshop not only had dash books, so that will be zero articles. No, there will be zero articles. Books. It also had zero article magazines. Okay, that will be put there cross. I enjoy writing, again cross. Poems. My sister likes to play the piano. The piano it will be. And take a walk in the park. You'll feel better. Take a walk in the park. You'll feel better. A. Okay, next one. Ask me without, there will be zero article. Ask me without hesitation. When you have a question. So when you have a question, it will be when you have a question. Okay. Sixth one. It already feels like, what will be zero article, the winter. Do I need to put on a sweater? Put on a sweater. Put on a sweater. So next one, seventh. The lions in the zoo. In the zoo. The lions in the zoo look sickly and they need zero article. Zero article. Nourishment. Zero article will be no. They don't expect. They don't expect an immediate reply, and it will be an. They don't expect an immediate reply, but you should send them an email. No, you should send them an email by tomorrow. Okay, so that is also clear for you. There isn't any doubt with regard to this part, no? So then you see some of the determinants. Okay, you need to know about these determinants, which are the kinds of determinants. First one, articles are there. Then there is a possessives are there. No, my, your, their, him. Okay, all these things are there. Then also we have demonstratives. Like that, these. No, just pointing out something and telling. And these, that, those. Okay, these are some of the then quantifiers. Quantifiers, suppose positive and negatives are there. No, quantifiers, some, many, few, every, all. Then a quantitative. Okay, we quantitatives. Okay, see, not quantify. Then as a positive as well as a quantifiers, not quantitative, quantifiers only. Then we have interrogatives, what, which, all these things are. Then okay, ordinals. So let us. Then there is an example. Exercise is given. Circle the correct determinants to complete this sentence. Is we have very little and less is chance of reaching the stadium on time in this traffic. There was less or fewer people than usual in the supermarket. See, there were less. So what will be the correct answer? Less or fewer? What will be the correct? It will be fewer. Right. I am not sure if I can help you. I speak a little. A little or little? What will be the correct? Little. Little is the correct answer. Little English. The teacher gave each or every. What will be? Each, no? Each of the students a piece of paper. Fifth one. There were few or several. What will be? There were several people to begin with, but most of you can take most of. Then most of them left early. He works from two cities, but does not like neither of. Okay, neither of them much. So seventh one. I learned gymnastics at my previous school. At my, not other, it will be at my previous school. Eighth one, there wasn't enough space for all of us in the car. So I think it is clear, right?